Well, I hope everyone is doing alright, but we could only look at this and look at the Hummer right now because we're not doing any more driving because we're in a complete total lockdown because of COVID. But that's okay. It happens. Things in life happens. But I hope everyone is staying safe. Everyone is alright. Everyone is trying to keep healthy as best as they can. And I know there's not that much, we cannot go to car meets or go to any kind of like events or anything like that because everything is completely shut down. So hope everyone's all right, and I'm aware about everyone's losing their job and all that. I myself just recently graduated with a new degree. I got a mechanical engineering degree, by the way, and I've been on the search for looking for jobs for since May, and nothing kicked. That I'm just gonna say that nothing kicked. Even if with the credentials I got, nothing's working, and many businesses are practically afraid of hiring someone outside because they don't know what they're dealing with, especially with the virus that is spreading all over the place, including the world. So I tried everything from automotive to aviation. Obviously, this is an automotive channel, and automotive is part of engineering, and you know, you kind of try. So that's where we are right now at this point. So what's been going on with me? So here are the things that has been going on. First of all, everything is alright with the Hummer, except a few things that I had was battery going bad. That's obvious because it's been 3 years on this. The battery goes bad on it. I have a video on it and I'll give a tutorial on it. I'm working on the editing, so please be patient on it. I'm planning it out, adjusting it in such a way so that people would understand it, so that way it'll be easy for them. That's what I'm trying to do. I had a couple of tutorials. One tutorial was very successful, and there was another tutorial with the wiper. It did not go too well because I don't know why. I've been getting a lot of complaints again on that. I don't know what's the explanation for it, but I wrote things down, I planned things out, make sure everything is well, and you know, sometimes people can be ungrateful and doesn't appreciate some of the things that come in. So that's just a matter of life. Sometimes it'll be good, sometimes it'll be bad. That's part of the journey. It goes. So I'm not too worried about it, and I removed the video for it. So that's that. Another thing is with this Hummer, it's been here with me since 2008, and lo and behold, the AC decided to phase out on me. I did a couple of things on this car. First of all, I did was check the Freon on it and see the levels. The levels are fine on the Freon. Everything came up fine. I checked the back of the back seat for the AC. It's working fine. It's only the front, and obviously I'm the only one who's driving this, so basically it's pretty obvious that something is going around in the front area. So I may be there's going to be a long vlog. I'm going to give you a heads up. There's going to be a long vlog on this one, so let me know if you want to see that. If not, I'm still going to post it anyways because it could be useful for anybody. Like, it may not be grateful for a lot of people. I'm just going to put it out for people who wants to know how to fix things, and dislike or like whatever it is, I'm just going to do it, and we're just going to go that way, and it is what it is, because you know, we're not granted another future here. And seeing what's going on with COVID, like, there's so many people with dreams, it came to a halt. So I don't want that to happen to me. I'm blessed that I've been safe and blessed with a life that I have to take advantage of it appropriately. So you know what? It's going to be a journey, ups and downs, likes or dislikes, whatever it is. I'm going to post the video, and I hope people would see that as useful. If it's not useful, thank you for stopping by, and I wish you guys nothing but the best. So Yeah, it sounds like I'm complaining, but it's just one of those days. Just you kind of like, what's the next direction you had to face. So I'm trying out all types of directions where things are going, especially in a time like a tumultuous time like this where you can't achieve your dreams. What can we focus on now? So that's what we're facing. So the AC on this one is going to be fixed. On this one, I'm going to do a long vlog on it. I think I might do multiple scenes on it. I might split it up into two 10-minute ones. I don't want to put like, what is it, a lot of like a big section so it can gulp up the whole thing. We're just going to put section by section by section by section. So that way we have people take a break. Is that a vulture? It's looking for some dead animals. Anyways, yeah, so that's where we are right now when we're dealing with car things. So anything else has been going on? It's pretty much sitting, waiting. I'm doing some preparations. Whatever skill set that I need to fulfill, I'm gonna be doing that. I'm trying to be as open as I can on the future because this is a new journey for me. I had an original plan in life that I thought I knew most of it, but it wasn't really my calling. My real calling was practically engineering. And engineering is practically what I was built to be made for. And that's why you see the car videos. And in my other channel, it was aviation. So it was pretty obvious of the fact that engineering was the right way to go. And it was always meant to be. And I would like to give advice to many of the young people, and there may be older people that had messed up in their earlier life, that you got to see where you're really good at and where you're really called for in life, because everyone is made differently. Sometimes you have outside sources, you have parents, you have people for like your friends that don't even know you, and they want to make sure that you're heading down the calling that you were made for in this world, and you have to recognize that. And I didn't recognize that as a young age. I've been posting videos since a youngin, and I've been so passionate about cars. I've been passionate about planes, and there's some things that you got to fulfill your calling. And if you don't do that, whether it's ups and downs, whether people like it or not, this journey is yours. This story is yours. So I hope this will understanding a lot of people. So I'm getting ready for part 2. I'm going to be discussing the news.